everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Mando. I'm a German teacher and together we're going to learn German. So let's get started. Last time we talked about the past tenses in German. Specifically, we saw that the three tenses that indicate the past in German are the Perfekt, Präteritum, and Plusquamperfekt. However, we analyzed one of them, the Perfekt. Today we're going to see Präteritum. Präteritum in German is mostly used in writing and narration. Als ich gestern nach Hause kam, erschrak ich. Die Tür war offen, etc. How to form Präteritum? Very easy. In our last video, we said that perfect had three categories of verbs: the regular, the irregular, and the mixed ones. Depending on the category that the verbs belong to, they have a certain construction, let's say. In Präteritum, however, we have two categories of verbs: the regular and the irregular ones. If our verb is regular, for example, fragen, then we take the verb stem frag, we add a t, and the following endings. Ich fragte, du fragtest, sie es fragte, wir fragten, ihr fragtet, sie fragten. This conjugation is very similar to the Modalverben in German, and we are going to talk about these verbs in a future video. Again, what will happen if the verb stem ends with either det or mn if there is no l or er in front of them? We're going to conjugate these verbs in this way. Ich wartete, du wartetest, sie es wartete, wir warteten, ihr wartetet, sie warteten. Now let's go to the second category of verbs. How do we conjugate the irregular verbs? Let's take a look at an irregular verb. The verb gehen is in Präteritum ging. How do we know that? I have prepared some important verbs for you guys, so at this point you can pause the video, take some screenshots and learn them by heart. So let's see how to conjugate them. Ich ging, du gingst, sie es ging, wir gingen, ihr gingt, sie gingen. So guys, this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and hit the bell button so that you never miss a lesson. And I will see you all next time. Tschüss!